Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tnad Public Health Engineering ke jalam takasngi kalayo ban Rakhe yaka World Water Day Halor ka Phang Pdeng Water for Peace ha uso sa tham auditorium Shillong. Hagani gajing Rakhe la don lang uba DP wa lang Chief Secretary uba long kum ukongsan bat u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Additional Secretary kum usembut kongsan haringkat kiwe pan kinong terai hapo Tnad PHE. Haba ajingkran hagani gasngi uba DP wa lang ula batai halor gajing don kam ka hagajing ubriu ula ongru ka Phang Pdeng ka balabu hauni usnam ka baong Water for Peace ka kerpat bada ka we ka sur bada gajing terai lang ya baro bakin sngut hu baka kalong ka bakong san bha. Shu ula ong baka Jal Jeevan Mission ka sam ya ka umbam umdi ka bakhut Henry ka jala Meghalaya ka dei ka balakar khu kerpang hagajing pa hu uslap bat gajing rius pa hagajing don kitalong bat kilum ki ba Tnad bat dei bandan kilat kilenti ban yada ya kini kitalong bat kiwa hagani ka program ukongsan bat kiwe ki riudon burom ki baladan ringkat hagani ka sngi kelayo ban sam ki khusnam shakinong job hagajing yakun ba pher ki bala penlong na ka benta ka jing Rakhe ya ka World Water Day.
If the first prize goes to Badon Singh Tham. Third prize, MD Heg. Fourth prize, Arvind Masayamai. Demonstrated extreme athletic ability to be able to run for consolation.
Amidst the natural beauty lies a very, very pressing concern: the need to safeguard and manage these water resources sustainably. In Meghalaya, water is not merely a commodity but a way of life, a source of sustenance, spirituality, and cultural heritage. From the sacred waters of Omyam Lake to the serene depths of the North Kalikai Falls, water permeates every facet of Meghalaya's society, shaping its traditions, customs, and identity. The state's indigenous communities have long revered water as a symbol of purity, with rituals and ceremonies dedicated to its preservation and sanctity. As we celebrate this World Water Day, let us heed the words of Leonardo da Vinci, who famously declared, "Water is the driving force of all nature." Indeed, water is the very essence of life, sustaining ecosystems, nourishing crops, and quenching the thirst of billions around the world. Yet, despite its fundamental importance, access to clean water remains a luxury for many, particularly in rural and marginalized communities. The Jal Jeevan Mission, launched by the Government of India, is a testament to our collective commitment to address this disparity and ensure access to piped water supply to all the households. With its ambitious goal of providing functional tap water connections to every rural household, the JJM represents a watershed moment in India's journey towards water security and water equity. In Meghalaya, where rugged terrain and scattered settlements pose unique challenges, the JJM holds immense promise in transforming lives and livelihoods. Bodies the steadfast determination to overcome obstacles and achieve universal access to clean water, one drop at a time. By leveraging innovative technologies, community participation, and decentralized governance, JJM empowers local communities to take ownership of their water resources and chart a course towards a more sustainable future. However, as we embark on this transformative journey, it is imperative that we recognize the intrinsic link between water, peace, and development. In Meghalaya, where water scarcity and contamination threaten livelihoods and exacerbate social tensions, ensuring equitable access to water is paramount for fostering peace and stability. With its emphasis on inclusivity and equity, JJM serves not only as a mechanism for improving water access, but also as a vehicle for promoting social cohesion and harmony within communities. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, as we envision a future where every individual has access to clean water. Let us reaffirm our commitment to the principles of equity, justice, and sustainability. Let us draw inspiration from the rivers, from the lakes, and streams that cradle our existence, and pledge to be stewards of these precious resources for generations to come. From today's function of World Water Day, the first is that we have to understand that we need to protect our sources. The source of water, the water drinking system that we have at present may be sustainable for a short period of time if we are not careful and we don't protect our sources. The Rangbashnongs, the people of various villages, the youths, you have to disseminate this information that protection of the source, protection of the catchment area is imperative. And if we don't do it, whatever has been done by the government through JJM, through various drinking water supply systems will be dried up, and in 7 to 8 years time, there won't be a drop of water. It's very, very important that you go back with this message that we need to protect our sources of water, we need to protect our rivers, and we need to protect our springs. The second point is that, the most beautiful city in the world, as we speak today, is perhaps Cape Town. It's right at the top of the pecking order. Cape Town in South Africa is a beautiful city where you have the mountains, where you have the sea, where you have the plains, everything is there in that place, but unfortunately, there is no water now. People are moving out of that beautiful city, coming to India. One of the most beautiful cities in India is Bangalore. And you have seen in social media what happened in Bangalore. People are struggling for water. There is no proper drinking water system. And water tankers, people are sitting on top of the water tankers, fighting, struggling for water. The third thing we have to understand, and the last point that I would like to make, is that 25 countries in the world are highly water stressed. These countries include our neighbors. Therefore, it is important that we take care of our own water ecosystem. The neighboring countries are going to suffer because of unplanned activities. We in our country, we need to plan properly to ensure that there is no stress as far as water management is concerned. Therefore, in conclusion, World Water Day serves as a timely reminder of all the transformative power of water and its capacity to foster peace, prosperity, and progress. As we celebrate the beauty and bounty of water, let us commit ourselves to the noble cause of ensuring access to clean water for all, leaving no one behind. Together, let us build a world where water flows freely, nurturing life and sowing the seeds of peace and harmony. With these few words, I resume my seat and I thank PhD department for organizing.
Ila rohani tu baru kita ki jabok ki hasabok tu empat katui nani sahani kan. Dan dapat spesifik ka sakhi ka tu ka telting pet nani ka tu sepok kini kini ki chemical ya ni apa. Na tu pat dami kom nani pat ka koi pit kom dia. Ni ko ka jaw kom dia ko pangi senang. Dalam mi sebab pat aduk ni koi. Tapi bala tes ruang dan chemical dan pollutant issue lalu dan barang. Apa Meghalaya. Po MSC dan di bodi ko do penangkam. Dan tu pat ni sapom yang tu ko Halor ni penangkam nak kaju sekejap. Te na tu pat yang tu ko ni penangkap Tnad biar kita misat yang kamadan ni misat ki keroy tu tu. Tahu tak ni.
Tekan ni kadai nak ka
ni ngarung betul happy hati dan itu kajengi ba jadi bentak begini di consultant di pada pergi kan install kan pai teman install kan dia dah kan pat pai ti ya kamadan pai install kini ki pipe ya kan dia ka monoblok kan dia kalau tang apo saulak sitangnya yang long kumbali satu tang untuk lagi
Tekan no try ka life span jong kan dia pat.
lifespan juga ni arpusan senam lifespan tiki olah dari pa dan kami ke baru maintenance part kila pun shulau ini punya dan untuk sa syuklop pa ikini ini sa kala kum ka sebuah ini sa ais kendau untuk sa tiap back tiki ini materialnya telah long dah hujung warranty ka arpusan senam